So this is going to be our first video on virtual reality. And you should have already done this, but I'm going to go through it on video so you can make sure you did it and probably practice doing it so that in the future you can download a project, uncompress it, and open it within Unity correctly. So you're going to take your time on this. I'm actually going to quiz you on it next week. So we have some good videos here. I want you to watch them all on what VR is, how it works, etc., etc. But for our projects, don't worry about the VR setup too much. I'll be taking care of that, and that's for the headset, so don't worry about that. But do watch this video here, and then for our projects, you're going to go to that one right there, VR Basics, and you're going to go to VR Project Setup right here. Okay, now you're going to download this. You could do the keyboard shortcuts, but we don't need that right now. This is what you're downloading. Okay, so it's going into my downloads. This is what we practiced last week, and we better be able to do it. So I'm going to go to my documents here. No, I'm not. I'm going to go to my PC documents. So you're going to PC. Open this. Make sure you go to the PC documents. And let's go to downloads first. So there it is. I'm not going to open it here because I don't want it to be there. So I'm going to go copy it. I'm going to go to my Unity folder, which is where is it? Right there. Wherever you call yours, under your documents file, I'm going to paste it. Okay, now I need to uncompress it. I can't open it. So it's in my folder, it's downloaded in my folder where I want it. Now I'm going to extract it, extract all, and I'm going to remove this last part. Otherwise it's going to put it inside that folder, I want it to be inside my Unity 2425 folder. So that's where I want it to be. So you need to make sure we do this because I'm going to have a bunch of tests on this. This is using the computer. I don't care what class you have, especially for a tech class, you better be able to use the computer, save, backup, compress, uncompress. Now look, it's uncompressed. Okay? I need to open it. I'm not going to open it in there. I'm going to use the hub. Now this is essential we practice this. Okay? So I got my projects. I'm in my projects. I'm not creating a new project. I already have a project. I'm going to click Add. I'm going to go find my folder. I'm in my documents. I'm going to go to Unity 2024-25. There it is. I'm going to click on this. There it is. If you want to check it, open it. Okay, assets, packages, we're good. So I'm going to open that. Now, watch very carefully. I'm not going to install anything. I'm not missing a version. With the ransomware, even I can't install new versions. I'm going to go down to my installs. Okay, these are my installs. You're probably only going to have one, so you're not going to have to worry about it. And that's my 2022. I'm going to select it, open with, change version. So, I don't know why this is still opening. I'm going to continue. And it is opening. Now, big project, right? VR's big. Going to take a while to open. So don't panic. Don't worry about it. It's going to take a little while to open. So again, to refresh, we did not open a new project. We did not create a new project. We hit Add. We went and found the folder. Wherever you put it, and we after we downloaded it, we moved it to a folder for our Unity. Wherever you put that thing, and remember, you better create a new folder if you don't have it. A new folder. Mine's here. and I pasted it there, and then I uncompressed it and made sure I had it, and then I went to my Unity Hub and I opened up the project VR room. So we're just going to start from there, and we're going to use the headsets. So you won't be setting up any of the controls yet. I just want to make sure you can do this, and open up your project using the current version you have. So that's in your installs. Whatever version you have here, when you go to open up that project, from here you're going to choose that version. Do not let it try to install another version. We're not going to let that happen. So this is going to take a little while to open, so I don't think I'm going to keep the video running. You can see there's a lot of stuff inside here. Once you get this opened, I want you to go to the scenes folder, and there's a sample scene. I want you to open it and just look at your rig. Make sure you can see everything. You can save a new scene then too, like VR1 or something, but make sure you can open it. Now, you're going to submit that image to Google Classroom. So project's going to open. You're going to go to the scenes folder under the assets, double click on it. You're going to go up and double click on like the plane or whatever they show you there, and you're going to hit Control or Windows print screen. You're going to go to Paint, paste it, and submit that. So when I look, I'm going to see the Unity menu up here, and I'm going to see your I think it's a VR rig and plane. It's just going to be like a plane or something, and I'm going to be able to see it. And that's all I need to see for this. From there, we're going to start. Well, we have it. So let's go. Remember, all we have are these two things, right? Let's go to Scenes. Let's go to Create with VR. And let's have it open. There it is. This is what you're giving me. You got the rig. You got the plane. Just zoom in on the plane. Windows print screen. Windows print screen, and then you're going to go to Paint, and you're going to paste it. Boom, and you're going to save it. File, save as, and you're going to submit it to the assignment. From here, we're going to be doing a lot of work. So we're going to go slow with this. We're going to have to set things up, set the controller up, do all sorts of stuff. So don't worry. So that's what we're doing now. Get it done and submit it to the thing there. Maybe practice it a couple times.